Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho Desk with CRM for support handoff, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Zoho Desk with CRM for support handoff, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select Marketplace from the options available. Within the Marketplace, choose all apps to view the full list of integrations. Search for Zoho Desk in the search bar at the top of the page. Once you find Zoho Desk, click on it to open the integration details. Click the Install button to initiate the integration process. After installation, you will be prompted to configure the integration settings. In the configuration screen, you'll need to select the Zoho Desk account you want to connect. Authorize the connection by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Next, set up the triggers for support handoff. Choose the criteria that will define when a support ticket should be created in Zoho Desk from the CRM. You can customize the fields from your CRM that will populate the ticket information in Zoho Desk. Review the mapping of fields for accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied with the configuration, click Save to finalize the integration. To test the integration, create a new case in Zoho CRM that meets your defined criteria. Check Zoho Desk to confirm that the support ticket has been created successfully. If everything works as expected, the integration is now fully functional. Regularly monitor both systems to ensure smooth operation and address any issues that may arise. Make adjustments to the integration settings as necessary based on your team's needs. This concludes the step-by-step guide on activating Zoho Desk with CRM for support handoff. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.